This is Coach Chris commentary. My topic, Dez Bryant replacement. It is so many good prospects in the draft this year. I'm going to name a few receivers that I would love to take Dez Bryant's spot. And I feel like they can come in and make an impact right now. Okay, the first receiver would be Calvin Ridley from Alabama. Now, this receiver, he's 6 feet, 189 pounds. His 40 time was 4.43. Now, that's not slow. And he's a good route runner. I think he'd be a good target for Dak Prescott. So, be looking for that in the draft, and we'll see what happens. Another receiver that I would love to have. Now, this receiver right here, he's a big receiver. He's Kirkland Sutton from SMU. This boy is 6'4", 218 pounds. His 40 was 4.54, but at the same time, this boy is tall. He got a long arm reach. He could be hard to cover with them 5'11", 6 feet corners. I would love to see this receiver wearing that star. Being one of Prescott's new big target. Oh man, I would love to see his name called first round pick 19. The Cowboys select Kirkland Sutton from SMU. I can hear it. All right, my next receiver, DJ Moore from Maryland. He's 6 feet, 210. Now, his 40 time was 4.42. He's fast. And, he's a good route runner. So I would love to see him in Big D. There's a lot of receivers out there that that can take take the spot. You know what I'm saying? He's one of the ones that can take the spot, and like I said, I'm ready. I'm so ready. I'm just ready to get it started. So tomorrow, when I get off work, I'm gonna be ready to see the draft and who we're gonna get at pick 19. Hopefully, it'll be a receiver. And like I said, I just named 3 of them. And let me see. What else I got. One more receiver, Christian Kirk from Texas A&M. He's not a big receiver. He's a 5'10", 201 pound. His 40 time was 4.46. So he's not a slow receiver. He's a 5'10". He's mostly a slot receiver. We can put him in and have some big receivers on the outside and put him on the slot and see what happens. So he could be somebody that the Cowboys pick up. Now, this is the last one. DJ Chark from LSU. He's 6'2", with 199 pounds. His 40 time was 4.34. Or fast. So we'll see, if he be the one to call for Big D. So we'll see what happens. I named some of the receivers that's on the Cowboys radar. And we'll see what happens tomorrow, Friday, and Saturday. I'm so ready. This is Coach Chris commentary. Good night.